southwestern Columbia County in south-central Wisconsin, northeastern Dane County in south-central Wisconsin, southwestern Dodge County in southeastern Wisconsin, until 1:30 p.m. At 12:40 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Columbus, moving east at 15 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Columbus and Danville. People attending Fireman's Park Pavilion should seek safe shelter immediately. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.